What one quality would you say or value that Mody University gave you that helped you in your career? There are two values actually. One being discipline, because this environment taught me how to live in a fixed schedule, and another one which is coextensive to that is consistency, because it also taught me to never get tired of that. And last, I would like to ask, how would you describe Mody University in one or two words? Once a Modyite, always a Modyite, and I am Lakshmangarh, a Modyite. Thank you.